Welcome to Emma Love Show.
Today we're going to be making a wreath out of sticks that Emma has collected at the park. This is a super fun activity and easy for the littles.
Let's turn these into this. For this one, you better make sure a parent's with you to help. First, we're going to cut the sticks so that they're all about the same size. And remember, kids, always have an adult with you when you're using scissors. Next, we're going to glue the sticks together in the center. You can do any pattern you'd like, but for this one, we chose to do 3 sticks side by side as we built up. As you work along, rotate your wreath so that you fill in all the empty spaces. If you want to hang your wreath, flip it over and glue one stable stick on the back. Then we're going to get a stick that is fairly flexible and glue it on into a U shape. You could also use some string for this part. Cut off any excess. Next, wrap your fairy lights around the wreath, covering as much of the sticks as possible. It's time to add our ornaments.
So I have 2 ornaments, butterflies and unicorns. Bye-bye.
Start gluing your ornaments on your wreath. And now you have completed your beautiful wreath.
Look at my pretty wreath. That's all for today. See you next time. Make sure to hit the like button to subscribe.